What's going on YouTube? This is Jabber Tech, and today we're taking a look at an action cam that's not going to break the bank. This one is from Apeman, and it's the TraWO. Maybe it's the TraWO. I don't know how you pronounce it, but at 90 bucks, you're getting a lot of value for your money. It's 4K, you get a waterproof case, there's Wi-Fi, you get a 1.8-inch aperture lens. But let's go ahead, unbox it, and check it out together. If you want to pick it up, check my link down below. If I can score you guys a coupon, I will. But let's just go ahead and take a look at what we get when we purchase the Apeman TraWO. Box itself, it's simple, it's nice, I like it. On the sides you see it's 4K Ultra HD, you get a f1.8 wide aperture lens, 40 meters of waterproof goodness, Wi-Fi control, and on the back they're showing you all of the details that you need to know. So again, 40 meters for your waterproof. This is your lens, so it's a 170-degree lens, high resolution, wide angle, f1.8 wide aperture. There's your video resolution, so you get 4K at 30 frames. Or you can drop it down a little bit to 2.7 at 30, 1440p at 60 if you like your 60 frame goodness. You can also do that in 1080 and 720 as well. Here's your image size, so you can use this as a regular still camera. 20 megs is the highest. But let's just go ahead, open it up, and see what kind of accessories we get. Here's a little hello card, so if you want to reach out to them and give them a shout out, you can do so, and you know how. Here's your action cam. I'm just going to put that aside for 1 second. I like to see everything that we get in the box. Little accessories box. I like it's labeled so we know exactly what we're getting. And they actually give us a lot of accessories. So let's just take a look and see what we get. Quite a bit of accessories. This is quite an impressive amount of accessories. Here's your bike mounting kit. You also have some more kits. You have some Velcro, you have some adhesive strips, you have just about everything to attach this however you want. Even this little clamp that you can attach somewhere. So definitely they've thought of everything. And also it should work with a lot of your GoPro accessories as well. Just make sure before checking that out. This is the actual action camera. So you can tell already the main focus is on that lens. To get that 40 meters of waterproofness, you do have to use this included case. This is the only way that you're going to ensure that the camera stays protected when you're in the water. Now, if you are using it outside of the water and you want to attach this to, say, maybe your bike, or you want to attach this to a selfie stick, you will want to use this one. This door is the one you want to use if you're not going underwater, because this one will let sound to get through to the camera so you can record it. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to just unclip this and show you how to do it. It's super, super easy. You get this nice waterproof tight seal right over there and just sort of pull away. And then take your new attachment door, slide it in with those pins, cover it up, snap it back into place, and you're good to go. This way, you will allow the sound to be recorded to your camera. But let's just go ahead and take this out really quickly and take a look at the camera itself. Your battery door, they do supply 2 batteries, which is awesome. Both of the batteries are 1350 milliamp. And the manufacturer claims about 90 minutes in 4K or 120 minutes in 1080p. Let's do English, and the date today, I'm not going to worry about the date all that much. You also have image stabilization, time-lapse, all that good stuff. When this first starts up, you see all about your settings right on the bottom there. Going into the settings, you see your highest resolution for your video recordings, 4K at 30, and 20 megapixel is your image size for your still shots. There's your time-lapse, here's your loop recording, here's your EIS, your anti-shake, so you want to make sure you turn that on. If you go into the lens, you can adjust it from medium, narrow, or wide. We all like shooting wide these days, so why not? There's your shooting timer. You also have burst mode. You can turn on or off the mic as well. Boot recording means that the minute you turn it on, it's going to start recording. You can adjust the exposure, the ISO, your white balance, and you can change the scene if you want to. I just tend to leave it on auto. You can rotate as well, so if you mount it this way, you can go ahead and rotate it. Here's your Wi-Fi SSID. So to go into it, you can create your own SSID and password. I think that's pretty cool. I'm going to show you guys the app in a little bit. That's basically it for the settings, and of course you get all these beautiful accessories here. Pretty much everything you need to get started at 90 bucks. This is an awesome starter action cam. Just as a side note, guys, you can use this action cam as a dash cam as well in your vehicle. You can also just plug it into your PC and it'll act as a webcam. Once you turn on Wi-Fi on the camera and connect your phone, this is the app that you have to use. And quite honestly, there's a lot to be desired from this app. Sometimes it just wouldn't work. You can change all the settings, which is a quick way to just go in and quickly change the settings. But using Wi-Fi for an extended period of time will drain your battery quite rapidly. So I only suggest that if you want to just check out what you're recording and change a couple settings here and there. But don't leave Wi-Fi on all the time or your battery is going to drain really, really rapidly. So again, the app is what it is. There's a lot of work. There's a lot to be desired for this app. So this is the actual sound quality from the microphone. If you're just vlogging, if you're walking down the street, using your wide angle camera, this is what you can expect. This is what it looks like with the wide angle. And now this is what the camera looks like when it's in normal. Again, this is the microphone quality coming from the Apeman camera. And now finally, you can have a narrow field of view. So this is the narrow lens on the Apeman camera. And I also have anti-shake on, so I'm just walking normally, holding the camera in my hand. And this is what you can expect with anti-shake. There also was a very slight kind of whining sound on some of the videos. It wasn't persistent, it wasn't there on all of my videos. Maybe it was just the battery was getting low and it decided to pick up some random noises in the background. That I don't know, but it was not a constant. This isn't something that I noticed on all of my videos. Now I think you get a lot of great uses for this camera. You can put it underwater and it looks great. Overall, I was super happy with the quality of the camera. I think it's something really nice, again, if you just want a starter cam, if you're looking to get one but you don't want to spend a ton of money. This is a good entrance way, just a quick way to open the door and see how you like it. And with the multifunction use being a dash cam and a webcam as well, you can definitely get your money's worth. But let me know what you guys think about the quality of it down in the comments below. I always appreciate you watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.